the swing, Jhula or Oonjal. India has a beautiful love affair with this wonderful element right through its length and breadth. It could be the Ras Leela in the north, the Tej festival in the west, or the lovely marriage songs that we have down south on the Oonjal. We have a special place for this element in our heart and homes. Now there are many benefits of having a Jhula in your house. For instance, it actually increases the endorphins in the body and makes you feel really happy while you're swinging. It is also meditative, and of course it's a great exercise for the knees as well. So apart from these things, it can also act as a partition. If you look at it carefully, I can sit facing this way or that way. So it's a flexible piece of furniture. Nowadays you get the simple Jhula in many different formats as well. It could be a South Indian Jhula like the one that I'm sitting on, or it could be something that's upholstered like what we have at Advaita. It could also be a beautiful artwork by itself like the cane one that we've used at Atulya. So I think this is one piece that you should definitely incorporate in your home the next time you're doing it.